Welcome loves to my YouTube channel. My name is VassaOlga. In today's video, we're going to be recreating Zara Larsson's makeup look. I'm obsessed. It's the least I can say because it's very colorful, bright, with lots of crystals, gems. It's glittery. I mean, like, wow. 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 I love when you can get outside of your comfort zone, and this is a little bit outside of my comfort zone because I don't really use a lot of gems most of the time, but this is incredible. Give it a try. I'm going to show you how you can recreate it step by step. Let's get started. First step is pretty obvious. It's going to be blush. I'm going over my cheekbones, a little higher, we're creating a lifting effect, and over my nose bridge. Then with a highlighter, I want to make sure that it's very glossy, glittery, and sparkly, and I'm placing this a little bit higher than the actual blush. We need to set everything in place. It's pretty much obvious. I'm using today Catrice, but you can go with any fix and spray. With my Wet n Wild eye primer, I want to make sure that all the eyeshadows are going to stay in place. And with my white eye pencil on top, I will create a shape that's going to be very bright because of the white color underneath. Do not forget to blend this with a finger from any harsh lines or any leftovers from the pencil. It's going to be really smooth. In the inner corner, halfway through, let's say, I'm working with a soft yellow color, and it's going to go later to the brow bone. Over my crease, higher to the brow bone, I'm working with a pink shade, but you can use some combination of soft pink colors. In the outer corner, let's add a little bit of purple. This is soft purple. I mean, all of these colors are very neutral and soft. And of course, we need to blend everything with white eyeshadows. These are matte. And then them in the inner corner as well. Over my brow bone, as I mentioned earlier, I'm using yellow. And over my lower lid, I did not forget to use white eye pencil once again because we need a pop of color. In the inner corner of the lower lid, working with soft yellow, and in the outer, mix of orange colors. In most of my makeup looks, I always go with black eyeliner, and today is no exception. We're going to create a thick line in the outer corner and more or less thin in the inner corner. Then let's not forget about lash glue. It's going to be handy if you have a wand, but if you don't, just make sure that you can get some small dots over the spots you desire to glue on your gems, and then glue on your gems. That is pretty much easy, and you don't really have to repeat the shape that I'm showing you in this video, because I did not specifically work with Zara's makeup. In this case, it's just something that I wanted to pop on. Okay, I have most of these gems in place, and I added a couple more over my lower lid. And in the outer corner, I needed a little bit more sparkle, so I'm using the Beamin highlighter. Let's not forget about lips. I need some kind of gold shimmers. This one is Sephora 42 metal color, and we're gonna need a liner, a good liner, a little bit darker color to make sure that it's gonna pop up. Lip oil is going on top. You can use any lip gloss. Let's sum everything up. Well guys, and this was the final result of Zara Larsson's makeup look. It's really, really pretty. I love gems. I love stones. It's not as hard as it looks. I mean, if you try to use some glue on top and then glue on some of the gems or crystals, then it's so much easier. And you just need to put a couple of dots and then you glue them on, and that's it. You can start small with like 2-3 gems. It's going to be totally fine. And I love a combination of colors. I think it looks really pretty. It's girly. I would say it's a little bit summery, but summer is around the corner. Or at least spring. I guess that's it for today. I don't want to bore you anymore. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.